Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and today we are going to talk about the Digital Personal Data Protection Bill of 2022. The latest draft of the previously withdrawn Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2022 is expected to be introduced in the Parliament in the budget session of 2023. The Digital Personal Data Protection Bill is a legislation that frames out the rights and duties of the citizen, also known as Digital Nagrik, and the obligations to use collected data lawfully of the data fiduciary or companies collecting the data from an individual. Here are some features of the bill. Number 1. Usage of personal data by organizations must be done in a manner that is lawful, fair to the individual concerned, and transparent to individuals. Number 2. There is a limitation to use personal data. It must be used for the purposes for which it was collected only. Number 3. Only those items of personal data required for attaining a specific purpose must be collected. Number 4. Reasonable effort should be made to ensure that the personal data of the individual is accurate and kept up to date. Number 5. The personal data should not be stored perpetually by default. The storage should be limited to such duration as is necessary for the stated purpose for which the data was collected. Number 6. Reasonable safeguards are to be taken to ensure that there is no unauthorized collection or processing of personal data. This is intended to prevent personal data breach. Number 7. The person who decides the purpose and means of processing of personal data should be accountable for such processing. And number 8. It also recognizes the right of post-mortem, which would allow users to nominate another individual in case of death or incapacity. For more such informative content, follow Verdictum and download the app on Android and iOS.